and welcome to my vlog. So today's vlog, I will be showing you guys my blackout poetry, but but before anything else, I will explain to you guys what is blackout poetry. So when we say blackout poetry, it is composed with black, of course, but it is mainly focused on creating a poetry out of newspapers or cut text, and you will shade everything to create something. So this is my blackout poetry, and I will be focusing more on what is art really. So it is a Visayan word. It is wa matino kung nagkomedya lang ba, apan wa gidinay ang konfirmasyon. Dagang mga pictures isip hulip nga maoy original nga controversial. So my poetry focuses on what is really an art. And when we say art, it is not, when you say a picture, it doesn't really show you the exact meaning. And when you tell them what it really conveys, you will not really tell them the exact words, but you will show it through a pictures and art and stuff like that. So I use my title is Shh, because art doesn't really bluntly tell you what really is the art all about. The art will speak itself. So that is my blackout poetry. I hope you guys learn from it. See ya.